Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your PayPal business account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page. But first you need to log into your accounts if you're not already. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the login option. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one, just create one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is our main page where you can take a look at your PayPal balance. You have your recent activity right here. You can send, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So what do you want to do if you want to turn off your business account? There is two options, guys. First things first, if you had a personal account that you turned into a business account, we can go ahead and turn it off from our settings. So what you want to do is open up your account settings, and you can open up your account settings by clicking this gear icon right here in the upper right corner. By clicking that gear icon, it's going to enable you to go ahead and open up your menu of options. So your account settings are going to look like this, where you're going to go and be able to manage your account settings. You'll have your security settings as well, data and privacy, and so on. All the options are going to be available directly right from here. And what you can do guys is then go ahead and manage your business options right from here. I currently do not have that tab because I'm not in a business profile. If you're in a business profile, you can open up your account menu from right here, and there's going to appear a button that says to switch to your personal account if you do not want to use a business account anymore. So what you can do is just click the button that's going to enable you to switch to your personal account, and with that you'll be able to turn it off. If you do not want to even use the account anymore, you can go into data and privacy right here and just delete your account. You can go and scroll down, find the delete button, and delete your account for good, and then no one will be able to use your account anymore. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.